Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Mrs. Tutor YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve 30 questions for the computer science field for competitive exams, all competitive exams like IBA, lecturer post, like SPSC, Sindh Public Service Commission, like PPSC, Punjab Public Service Commission, and so on. We will bring multiple sets of questions for you in future. This is our very first video and very first set of questions. So please provide your email address in the mention box so that we can back to you, or we can send you multiple set of questions as required. Let's start. Let's solve the questions. First question is, in a program where the user inputs the roll number and the program displays the marks obtained, which of the following is suitable? So first question is asking about if a user inputs the roll number and gets the marks obtained marks, so what will be the suitable option? It's obvious, not the for loop or the do while, maybe the switch case, maybe the if else condition. So let's take for the switch statement. In which loop the loop body execute at least once? It's so obvious that it's the do while loop which execute at least once. Either condition is false or either condition is true. Considering the main body of the program as given, what will be the output? So in a string A is 4, okay, in string B it's B, so string C is A plus B, okay, it's concatenation, so this option will be the right one, and we will get the score at the end. Also you can get the form link in the description box. The internet uses to communicate the internet uses dash to communicate between devices and networks. The internet uses, okay, so internet uses internet protocol suites to communicate between devices and networks. I would recommend that you should solve when you are viewing this lecture recorded video, so you may get a clear picture that how you have scored out of 30 points. The main function of a web server is to store and process. The main function of a web server is to store and process is websites. In the internet world, the communication between client and web servers takes place using the HTTP. Maybe I may be the wrong. Algorithms that improve automatically through experience is known as algorithm that automatically improve through the experience is machine learning algorithms. The next question is, the basic medium of optical fiber is a fiber that is mostly made of, it's a glass. It's a very common and question. Web pages are interlinked by the use, okay, this is in hyperlink. Which operating system is used by the most of the supercomputers? So supercomputer uses Linux. Macintosh computers and laptops are manufactured by Macintosh laptops and manufactured, designed and sold by Apple. Which variable type can have only two possible values? It's obvious, it's a boolean. The major language of World Wide Web is HTML. Which computer language is used to design the display of an HTML web page? designing of an HTML is CSS. Google Language Translator is an example of not debugging, not computer simulation, not internet, so obviously it's machine learning. In computer science and information technology, that is IT, the DNS is an abbreviation. Domain name software, no. Domain name system, maybe. Domain name software, domain and direct name system, so it's obvious domain name system. In C++ library, the function exit, it exists from the program, so program in which it occurs. In C++, a function name must followed by the parentheses. Common, very simple. So again a question which is asking the output. So question is variable one is computer string. Okay, so the output display, oh, very tricky. The question is very tricky. How? Because in cout variable 3 is being printed out, not being called as that we can get the output in variable 3, but actually variable 3 is passing as a string, so the output will be variable 3. Consider the main body of C++. Again same question. So the difference is now we are printing variable 3, so variable 3 will be the concatenation and the output will be computer science. C++, in C++ a pointer is variable for storing addresses. Pointer is not a constant value, pointer is not an address of a variable, so this option will be suitable and hopefully this will be the correct one. What is the statement that displays the address of my variable? If we are storing my variable as a pointer, so it will be this one. An address is a dash while a pointer is a, okay, an address is a constant, a variable is, so what will be the output? It will be the address is variable and the pointer is constant. The function type and the file type, the file type hash include is called header file. To generate different random number in C++, for random number generation we must use some of the library, and the library is this one. The go to statement, you control go to and okay, it's a label. Bundling data, so bundling data and function together is known as not debugging, not polymorphism. It's not an obvious, it's not overloading, it's an encapsulation. What type of operating system MS-DOS is? Command line interface. Which of the following keyboard shortcut is used to change the case? Shift F3. I may be the wrong in this question. Format C is an example of virus. Okay. Format C is an example of Trojan horse. So let's submit it. This requires an email address, this is our email address. You can contact us at any time for any of the question, or you may request for any topic exploration. We can make a video for on your request. Thank you so much. Let's see the score. Oh, okay, view the score. Good. Oh my goodness, it's 29 out of 30. So the wrong answer is, I hope it should not be oh, okay. The correct answer is constant address and the pointer is variable. So thank you so much.